Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher, and today we're looking at some good habits to acquire as accordion players. Whether you're a beginner player, whether you're an experienced player, what are some habits to get into relating to the accordion? This came about last week. I was doing a live stream and a student asked, hey, what are some bad habits that I should avoid? I didn't have a great answer, but Scotia, one of my students, emailed me with some good ideas about playing the accordion, some things about hand position and how to handle the accordion. I've started a thread over on the Accordion Love forums. You could go and have a look at some suggestions, but I thought I would share some ideas in this video too. Accordion, just like other skills in life, is a mental exercise as well as a physical exercise. And I remember when I was a kid, thinking about people playing accordion and thinking about people driving, and they were very similar things. I thought that driving meant this, right? Moving the steering wheel in a really crazy way. And it turns out that driving a car is actually quite subtle. We don't move the steering wheel like this. That's what we think driving is like. In reality, it's quite subtle, the steering wheel movement. And you don't realize that until you've been driving for a while. It's minimal input. It's going really smoothly. The same thing applies to the accordion. Accordion, I thought, was this. It's moving the bellows in and out, both hands. The reality of it is that the bellow control is very similar to driving a car. It's subtle movements. Sure, there's maybe 5% of the time when you're pulling the bellows out and bringing them in a sharp way. The majority of the time, we're going for a clean tone, which sounds like this. I don't even need to touch the bellows. That's what the bellows should look like. On the way back, similar kind of thing. Just a very gentle pressure. So that's my good habit or bad habit to avoid. We're not. Very rarely do we do that, especially as beginner players. We want to let the bellows be gentle. Bellow control is a huge topic. While we're on that topic, on accordionlove.com, I have a section on controlling the bellows, on how to get that right hand tone and melody sounding clear. So, have a look at the forum. I hope that Accordion Love members contribute some of their good habits that they've developed. I'll continue contributing. And if you're looking to learn the accordion, there's a free 3-day trial to Accordion Love where you can instill some more good habits as an accordion player. I hope this helps you. I hope you have a happy 2021. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.